ให้ลูกเด้อบัดเฮาใหญ่มาบอกว่าคุณลุงได้เสียหักอย่าให้เสียความตั้งใจยิ้มรับความคนไทยก่อนมาใจให้ชูชีวิต
My name Na. When I come here when I'm about 20 years old, and I come here because it's just like okay, I have a problem with my Thai boyfriend, and then I think okay, I see my cousin, she married to a Western man. I have a good life, you know, so I think maybe I get good luck like her. And yeah, about drug, yeah, I take it. It's quite a long time because I must use for work. I need that, so it's very hard to quit that drug.